Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a great day. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how can you add threads badge on your Instagram. So first of all, make sure that your Instagram app is updated. Otherwise, this feature won't work. So now just go to your Instagram and click the bottom last your profile icon and click the top right 3 dash icon here and click the second option threads. Now click on the bottom get threads. Now just install the threads app. Now just go to your threads and click on login with Instagram. And after login with your Instagram, your threads badge will be shown in your Instagram app. So guys, that's how you can add threads badge on your Instagram. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.